It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So we're decorating my master bedroom for Christmas. I love adding just some cozy Christmas touches in here, and I decided to bring out my flocked tree that was in my living room last year. Now, I know I said in my last video that it made such a mess and I was happy I wasn't decorating with it, but I just got a new cordless vacuum cleaner, so I figured, why not? I've always wanted to have a tree in my master bedroom, so we're going for it. And the box from sitting in our garage got so messy, so I just took the tree out in pieces and brought it up the stairs. So there is definitely going to be a mess that I'm going to have to tackle after I put this tree together. So today I'm really excited to be partnering with DREAME to introduce you to their new T20 Cordless vacuum. The vacuum comes with all of these pieces. This is the Smart Multi-Brush bar, which is what I use on my carpets and my floors, like hard floors and stuff. And when it's in auto mode, it will just automatically detect which type of flooring, so whether carpet or hardwood, and it'll just like adjust its suction based on that, which is cool. So then this is obviously an extender rod, and this is the mini electric brush, and this one is actually the perfect size to vacuum my stairs, but you can also use it on bedding, couches, and things like that just to get pet hair, which we all know I have plenty of with my 2 dogs. And then this is the crevice nozzle. Again, this is a lifesaver on my stairs. I have a lot of tight little corners and angles, so this works great for that. And then you have an extension hose, which is really nice to use for this piece that I love cleaning out my car with. It's perfect because this vacuum's cordless, so it's so easy to take this, and you can just head out and clean out your car, so I love that as well. And this vacuum is not only lightweight and cordless, but it also has a battery life of 140 minutes with the use of the backup battery, which will be more than enough time to vacuum up the mess this tree has made without having to stop and wait to recharge. So the screen display is extremely user-friendly, and this is where you can move between 4 working modes depending on the area you are cleaning. It has a lock button that allows you to lock in whatever power suction mode you're using, which frees up your finger from having to hold down the power button while you are using the handheld vacuum. And also the screen display is going to show you exactly how much battery is left on the vacuum, so there is no surprises there. Another reason I love DREAME is that it's actually affordable, which was honestly one of my biggest hangups when searching for cordless vacuums. I found most of them to just be way too expensive. One of my biggest problems with vacuums in the past has been dog hair getting tangled and clogging up the filter. DREAME has solved this problem with their advanced 12-cone cyclone separator and filtration system. This not only stops hair from getting tangled and clogging the filter, but also provides for a 63% longer filter life, and with a 150 air-watt suction motor, this vacuum can handle all of our toughest messes. I will have the link to purchase this DREAME vacuum in the description box down below, as I know many of you also own pets and have kids, and you asked me to keep you posted on which vacuum I decided to go with, and from its lightweight functionality, ease of use, and affordability, I could not recommend DREAME enough. So I've laid out a couple options as far as decorating this tree, and these stars I found at Michael's, I believe 2 years ago, but I just thought they were so pretty and sparkly. And then these actually are just styrofoam balls that I like to use to fill in gaps, especially with flocked trees. It just kind of works well, which you'll see in this video. And then this is a cranberry pick, which I like to add a little bit of a pop of color to my flocked tree. And I went ahead and picked up this thick, chunky yarn about a year ago, I believe, and I used this as garland on the tree as well, and I thought it made a really good garland because it kind of gave it more of a snowy effect. So let's go ahead and get decorating. And then I just wanted to show you a little trick. If your tree is backed up against a wall like mine is, I don't take this all the way back. So after I get to about this point, I'll wrap it up and then start circling back around the tree this way. And so then once I wrap it all the way around on this side, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna loop it over and come back around. And this is gonna save you so much of your garland. I know sometimes it can be really challenging when adding similar items like picks or similar looking ornaments to your tree. It's hard to get them spaced out so they're not all clumped together. So one thing that I would suggest trying is to put them in a diamond shape on your tree, and I have found that that really helps disperse them evenly all throughout. I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these $2 Christmas picks to make my own wreath, and this is actually the same vine wreath that I picked up at Joann's for right around $10, and I used it to make my fall wreath. And I love making my own wreaths out of this type of vine material because you can literally just insert your picks into the branches and it comes together so quickly, and then you are able to reuse it season after season.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
Okay, step number 2 is I still have to take off this fall floral that I put above this sign, and I'm just gonna switch it out for some new that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And this is what the piece looks like that I got. I thought it would look cool just to kind of put in the corner like I did the last one, and it was $29.99 and it was also half off, and it kind of almost has a wreath shape that I figured would just be easier to hang. And then again, I'm using my handy dandy command hooks to hang it up on the wall. The first thing I do before I hang it up is I find a little area that it can hook on, and I remove the back of this little sticker, the wall side, right before I go to hang it, so I know exactly where on the swag this is going to hook on. So then when I take the paper off the back, it can just stick right on the wall, and I just find that a lot easier.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
And I decided I wanted to hang a wreath on these arches that I have on either side of my bed. So the wreath that I picked up is this really pretty flocked one. It's almost like a lamb's ear flocked wreath. This was at Hobby Lobby as well. And then again, I'm just using one of those command hooks, and I'm probably going to just hang it directly on here like this. Okay, so I just laid out some decor that I picked up from Target over the weekend. So these deer actually light up, and they kind of remind me of the ones that you would have in your yard, which I always thought those were really cute. Let me get this one. So these were $15 and they were in the Wonder Shop. I thought they were just so cute. And then these were in the Wonder Shop as well. They are $5 flock trees. So they
keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I want...
Now I'm just going to add some checkered pillows just for a little pop of red in here. These are actually the same ones that I have on my couch downstairs, and I just found them on Amazon.
This holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow.
So I love decorating this little bench area for the holidays, and I went and found some of our favorite Christmas books, and I wanted to have them here because I really want to start a tradition of picking one out to read to the kids before bed.
Oh, it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
My dresser area I want to keep very simple, so I'm adding a garland that I found at Hobby Lobby, and I did find this a few years ago, but I'm pretty sure they still carry it. And also those flock trees from the Target Wonder Shop I thought would look cute here just to kind of balance out the mirror.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
And my mother-in-law got me these cute little presents from Kirkland's last year, and I thought they would look really cute here under my tree.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.